Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Procter and Gamble, which is PGHH stock, and we are going to analyze this particular stock and how it is behaving, what its current trend, and what we can do out of this. So this is the weekly view of PGHH. As you can see, long term wise, uh, it is on a uptrend. So what is happening currently, we will see. So I will zoom in here. If you can see this is the weekly view. So there were 4 good weeks, and then other times it trickles down. If you see like this. And now here there is a harami in the weekly chart. Now this week has started. So what we can say that currently this retracement has happened. So let me give you the line view chart. So if you see how this moves, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then here it is happening second time, up, retracement, up, retracement. So this is the weekly view. Again, I'm moving back to candlestick chart. So what we can expect? So now I'm moving to daily. Okay. So as you can see in daily movements, you might feel that it's a slow stop. Like you have a up move, then it trickles down. Then again, if you see there is up move, it again slides down, up move. Again, it has sort of gone slightly down. But if you see there is higher low, it means this is one low, and again there is higher low which is getting formed. And if you see here in past 5 6 days, there is continuously being higher lows being formed, like to 12,700, then again up, and now it is sort of forming a base here, like what it did here. So on short term basis also, or medium term basis also, it is on a up move. Let's say after 2020 on, it is on a up move. On short term, yeah, maybe you can say since April it is sideways, or typically you can say this as sideways, but still in this there is higher lows. So uh, what I am doing, I am adding an indicator called relative strength index, RSI, as you might be knowing. Those who don't know, RSI is an indicator which uh, gives you information about when the stock is overbought or oversold. So, in terms of trading with RSI, how usually people trade, or how you should trade, is that whenever the stock goes above 70 in the RSI index, which means the stock is overbought and the price will eventually or might come down. And if the RSI is below 30, let's say, or near about 30, so it's a good buying signal, because the chances are that the stock is oversold. So if you see Procter and Gamble's trend for last 1 year or 2 years, hardly it comes down to 30. If you see from here, let's say from this particular point, from 40 it moves up. Okay, from 40 it moves up, and one or two times actually it came down to 30. So since it's a high demand stock, because of many factors, the company is good, the financials are good. Because of its high demand in nature, RSI might not go below 30, because people will keep holding the stock. And if you see this price behavior as well, what it says that whenever there is buying, price goes up, and then it moves slowly. Why? Because no one is actually trading it, because first, because of its high value. Second, people don't want to trade it. This is a sort of a long term investment stock, as you can see from its returns. If you see 2016, it was at 5,000 level, now it is at 13,000. So people actually don't want to sell it, and those who are selling it, maybe they are booking profit. But if you see that there is huge buying in this stock. So I am moving to 30-minute chart now. What I'm trying to say or going to show you is how the stock has formed base and how it is moving ahead. So from 13 or 14,000 level, it came down, and here somewhere it has settled. So it came down, trickling down again, and then if you see here, it has created base. So let me add volume. So if you see here, typically when it was trickling down, there was no volume. And here, especially when where it has recently created low, there is a huge volume here in 12,800 range. So this is a good buying place, because if this particular zone 13,100 to 12,800 looks like a short-term demand zone, and now the stock has picked up. I mean, it is going high, as you can see today. Lower lows are being kept made, which means demand is picking up in the stock. And in terms of now moving back to daily, in terms of daily chart, now what will happen? Slowly the stock will pick up now. So yeah, if you see this daily chart, I will remove volumes. If you see now, it has created base. Here you have shaven bottom, which means high demand, and today it is trading around 13,200 range. So this retracement is complete. Now we can expect slightly upward move, and the RSI is also helping us in this case. So if you see RSI, so RSI was around 35 when its low, and when the demand picked up in the stock with volumes, and now it is RSI is moving ahead along with price. So high chances that it can again come back to this 13,600, 14,000, and if the Nifty supports in terms of higher highs and other market factors, it can actually make a new high in terms of the stock when it reaches RSI 80 level. So this is sort of a mix of RSI trading and how the stock behaves, and uh, the nature of PGHH, Procter and Gamble, moving in terms of price. If you see, here is a base, so this looks like a good buying opportunity here for long term or short term. Maybe we can see 13, 14,000 levels actually in some time maybe. So this was a short stock analysis or chart analysis about Procter and Gamble. Do share your comments, thoughts about RSI or Procter and Gamble, your experience about trading Procter and Gamble, or in general, if you have any other opinion about this particular stock, you can feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe if you liked this video. Thank you.